Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be spray painting the wheels from my Matrix. So these wheels over time just started to get rusty and I just want to bring them back to life. So the first thing to do is to mark the tires so you know where your wheel weights are, and then go ahead and pop them off. There we go. And then I just use some PTFE tape, which is kind of being a little stubborn. I don't really have the marker, but I mean, that's how you do that. Then the next thing to do is to wrap your tires. This can be done with newspaper, but in my case, I'm just using some junk mail and a shopping bag. And then also, as far as the markers go, I went ahead and replaced that PTFE tape with some masking tape. This will stick a little better and it will still mark the area. So just gonna go ahead and do that. And there we go. Next, even if it's hot, this is where you'll want to get a pair of pants, because now I'm going to take a wire brush to those wheels. This should help smooth out some of the surface rust. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start painting. But the reason you want the pants is just in case any of these wire bristles fly off. And then, just to be safe, a pair of safety goggles and a mask. And I know, here at Daniel's Car Talk channel, I like to make fashion statements. Now what I'm doing here is I'm removing most of the surface rust, but I'm also creating a rough surface for the paint to stick to. This can be done with sandpaper, but this takes a lot less time. There we go, kind of clean that surface rust up a little bit. Now to go ahead and take a rag and clean these off. And then to do this, I'm just gonna take some rubbing alcohol to it. This will clean it up good, it'll dry fast, and then we can get to paint. All right, so first I'm gonna hit it with some primer, but then just make sure you shake it up real good. And then safety goggles and mask back on. And then just go over it in layers. And there we go. It's starting to look better already. I'll let this sit for a few minutes, give it another run with the primer, and then we'll move on to paint. All right, and then we'll just let that sit in the sun for a few minutes. And then here's just a little tip. If you can do this in the summer, that would be ideal, because you can use the heat to your advantage. The heat will dry your wheels faster. Just make sure you take frequent breaks. Don't push yourself too hard. If you have to, walk away from it for a little bit. If you have to, come back to it the following morning. Always remember, safety first. And then, since we're talking safety and just time efficiency, what I want to do, Lord willing, is 2 wheels today and then 2 tomorrow. All right, paint time. This is Rust-Oleum high heat paint, which is good for temperatures of up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what you want for your wheels, just think, when you're driving around in the summertime and it's over 100 degrees, these wheels are gonna be hot. So you want some good heat resistant paint. So put the mask and the safety glasses back on, shake this paint up real good, and then same thing, just paint in layers. There we go. And these wheels already look worlds better than they did. So now what I'm gonna do is just take a little break. I'm gonna give these some time to dry, and we'll come out and check on them in a little bit. All right, now let's get those wheels back on the car. All right, so I took the paper off protecting the tires. Now it's just putting the wheel weights back on, which can be done with a couple light taps of a hammer. There we go. And here we go. Definitely looks better than it did. Here's the other side that still needs to be done, but it's slowly coming back. I might one day, I haven't fully decided, but I might one day put some hubcaps on this car. My only deal is I don't want Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly's hubcaps. I want hubcaps that actually say Toyota on them. Hubcaps that actually have the Toyota emblem on them. So if I can even find some hubcaps off a Corolla, some OEM hubcaps, but we'll see. I know the Matrix is basically a 2000s Corolla wagon, and I'd really like to find some Matrix hubcaps, but the thing is, for every one Matrix, you see 10 Corollas, so that gets a little expensive. But with summer here, Lord willing, I'm also looking forward to throwing some paint on this car too. But I'm gonna go inside. I'm getting a little hot. You guys have a blessed day and take care. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.